Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hello, friends. We are happy you are here.
Today, we will practice simple English conversation.
Very easy, very slow, and step by step.
So don't worry
Just relax and listen.
and repeat with us.
It will help your speaking.
Lisa, how was your morning today?
My morning is very calm.
That's nice. What did you do first?
First, I drank a glass of water.
Good habit.
Then, I opened my window.
Fresh air is always good.
Yes, it makes me feel awake.
Did you make tea?
Yes, I made tea.
With milk?
Of course, I love milk tea.
Same here.
After that, I checked my phone.
Everyone checks their phone in the moment.
Yes, it's normal now.
What messages did you get?
Just simple good morning messages.
That's cute.
What about your morning, Mark?
My morning was fast.
Fast? Why?
I woke up late.
Oh no!
I jumped out of bed.
That's funny.
I brushed my teeth quickly.
Quick brushing is dangerous.
Yes, I'm out. My good.
Did you have breakfast?
Not really.
Why not?
No time.
You need breakfast.
Yes, I will eat later.
Good. Don't skip it.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had 2 eggs.
Boiled or fried?
Fried.
Sounds tasty.
And I ate 1 roti.
That's a healthy meal.
Yes. Simple and healthy.
How long did your morning routine take?
Maybe 20 minutes?
That's quick.
Yes, but I like simple mornings.
I like slow mornings.
Slow is nice too.
But my alarm betrayed me.
Alarms are evil.
Very evil.
Okay, let's continue.
Yes, let's go step by step.
And let's learn simple English together.
You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about daily routine.
Yes, very useful for beginners.
Let's start with waking up.
Okay. I wake up at 8 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
After waking up, I stretch.
I also stretch my arms.
Stretching feels good.
Yes, it wakes the body.
What do you do next?
I make my bed.
Good habit.
It makes the room look clean.
I sometimes skip that.
Mark!
I know.
After that, I brush my teeth.
Yes, I do the same.
Then I wash my face.
Cold water or warm water?
Warm water.
I use cold water.
Cold water is refreshing.
Yes, very refreshing.
After that, I make tea.
And I check my phone.
Then I eat breakfast.
I drink juice sometimes.
Juice is healthy.
Yes, if it's fresh.
After breakfast, I get ready.
I choose my clothes.
I choose comfortable clothes.
Comfort is important.
Yes, especially for busy days.
Then I start work.
Same here.
I check my emails first.
I check my to-do list.
To-do lists are helpful.
Yes, they keep me organized.
What do you do next?
I start my main tasks.
And I make my tea number 2.
You love tea.
Tea is life.
Yes, true.
After working, I take a short break.
Breaks are important.
Yes, the brain needs rest.
I drink water during my break.
I walk for 2 minutes.
Good for health.
What do you do after work?
I relax for a little.
I listen to music.
Music is relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing.
Then I plan my evening.
I plan my dinner.
Food is also important.
Very important.
And that's our simple routine.
Easy and clear.
Step by step.
And you can follow it too.
Practice speaking with us.
It will improve your English.
Slowly but surely.
One step at a time.
Every day is progress.
Don't stop practicing.
Yes, practice every day.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
Just keep learning.
We are here to help you.
Always.
Let's move to speaking practice.
Yes. Repeat after us.
I wake up early.
I make my bed.
I eat breakfast.
I start my work.
I take a break.
I learn English every day.
Now let's practice questions.
Repeat after me. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
How is your day?
My day is good.
What are you doing now?
I am learning English.
Great job.
You are speaking very well.
Keep going.
Now let's practice short sentences.
I am happy.
I am ready.
I am learning.
I am improving.
I am confident.
I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
Believe in yourself.
Step by step,
Day by day.
you will get better.
Don't stop.
Don't give up.
You are doing great.
Really great.
Thank you for learning with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening
Keep speaking.
and keep smiling.
Learning should be fun.
Yes, fun and simple.
Today's lesson is almost finished.
Let's review the key phrases.
And then say goodbye. But don't forget to practice.
Yes, practice is everything.
Okay, review time. Wake up to open your eyes in the morning.
Breakfast, your first meal.
Make your bed. Arrange your bed.
Routine, daily schedule.
Stretch. Move your body to relax.
Break, short rest time.
Practice. Repeat to improve.